Hi folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. And a couple of things I just want to share before we actually get into the meat and potatoes of what we're going to say today. And that is, there are going to be three links in the description area of this video that I really want you to check out if you would. Okay, one link is going to take you to an autoresponder marketing system if that's what you need at this time in your life. If you need a good low-cost marketing system, autoresponder system, then there's going to be a link that you can go to take a look and see if that's something that would interest you. If you're in marketing, advertising online, then it's something that could really help you do your business better. The other link is going to be a link that's going to show you about this opportunity that I'm sharing with you right now, where it says share and earn, share more and earn more, join for free, easy business. Okay, so there's going to be a link that's going to show you what that business is about. It's going to take you into the products, okay, the comp plan, the whole bit. And so it's going to be, and that particular site is going to be something that you would use as well to share this opportunity with. The third link I want to share with you is from it's a program that I am developing called the Success Motivation Plus Wealth Start System, and it's an instant pay, daily pay, direct pay system. So it's a program where you can get paid instantly and directly and daily. Okay, we're still in the developing stages on that, but if you want to connect with me and receive information when that launches, then you'll be able to do that as well. Okay. So here, if you direct your attention here for me, you'll see it says share and earn, share more and earn more, join for free, easy business. And this opportunity is really, it's really a phenomenal opportunity. It'll give you the opportunity to earn 6- and 7-figure incomes if that's what you want to do. The company is international, the company is global, and we currently have about 200 products that are absolutely fantastic, and the prices are very, very low, so you get quality products with very low prices. So let me just move to the next slide. Okay, so the name of the company is Atomy or Atomy. Okay, and as you can see, it's an exclusive wholesale buyers club, and again, incredible products. Okay, essential products at the lowest prices. It's free to sign up. Okay, no annual fees, no website fee. Okay, no monthly requirements. So there's no auto ships or anything like that that you have to be involved in. Okay, low prices, so you get quality products at the best prices. Okay, and we call the compensation plan a righteous compensation plan, because if you have a desire to make money, then this is a company that you can really make money with. Now, we've partnered with a great team of leaders, and we have a webinar every single week. And so if you are looking for a great opportunity and some great people to partner with, then you found it. Okay, so now I just want to share something with you from the company website just for the next minute or two. Okay, so stay with me and we'll check this out. Okay, so here we are at the website, And I just want to show you around just this area real quick. Okay, as you can see, this is the shopping mall. All right, and here you can see healthcare. Okay, beauty, personal care, living, food, and more. And we've got about 200 or more products, at least 200 products, and more on the way. You can see the categories again: skincare here, okay, makeup, lip care, hair and body, oral care, detergent, kitchen, hand care, health care. All right, coffee, food, tea, special set, miscellaneous. And again, these are truly exceptional products, okay, for the family, for yourself, okay, for gifts. All right, we've got some truly incredible products. So I just wanted to share that with you briefly. And so now we'll close this video out today. Now in closing, I just want to remind you that to check out the three links in the description area of this video, okay? And again, if you're in need of an autoresponder, low cost, quality marketing system, okay, then we have that for you. Check out our Atomy team site that we share with people, okay, for more information. Check that out. And also, if you're interested in the Success Motivation Plus Wealth Start System, want some more information on that, please be sure to check that out as well. So there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. Again, thanks for tuning in. Okay, and hope to see you on the inside real soon. You have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye bye now.